Today, we're looking at what it takes to recover a company's entire digital backbone. Let's get into it. Okay, let's dive right in. Imagine the system that controls every single login just vanishes. Poof.
That system, it's called Active Directory. It's basically the gatekeeper for everything on the company network.
So in this scenario, based on a real-world exercise, 100 user accounts were suddenly at risk. Plus, 50 security groups that control who sees what. When AD goes down, all of that disappears.
So how do you come back from a total wipeout? The plan is called a bare metal recovery.
This whole thing relies on a special backup of the system state. Think of it like the server's DNA.
The rebuild happens in a special safe mode, DSRM for short, to keep things clean and controlled. So let's break down the rebuilding process. It's a high-stakes, 5-step digital reconstruction.
But here's the thing. The comeback isn't always smooth. Even with a perfect blueprint, you hit snags. First big problem? The admins couldn't even connect to the brand new server to manage it. Yikes. And the cause? Basically a network identity crisis. The server's IP and DNS settings were totally mismatched. The fix was to get in there and manually correct the IP and DNS to match the backup. But then came problem number 2, and this one was even scarier. Critical services just wouldn't start. The culprit was a critical folder, SYSVL. It wasn't properly signaling that it was ready after the restore. The fix was basically digital surgery. They had to go into the registry and manually flip a switch. You see, after recovery, validation isn't just another step. It's literally the entire goal. So this whole exercise really hammers home 4 key takeaways for anyone managing this kind of infrastructure. Because an AD failure doesn't just lock people out. It completely dismantles an organization's security. So to protect this absolutely critical asset, there are a few recommendations you've got to follow. Which really leaves us with one final, crucial question. Your data might be backed up, but is your plan?